So let's understand the channel features and settings. So if you click on the channel, this is where you can change various aspects of your video, which we set up originally in the settings of the YouTube channel. So, but everything that I want enabled is enabled, and then as you can see here, copyright status is green, community guidelines status is also green and good, which means that I've done everything correctly in with my YouTube channel. And when you get to if you have 4 violations, your account gets closed down. So don't violate any of the policies in YouTube at all. Let's go to the upload defaults. So basically, this is what happens when you load, or this is what you want your channel to do every time you load a video. So if you were loading, let's say, a video on a weekly basis, and the videos were basically the same. Let's say it was a testimonial video. You could set up your title over here, your description over here. Please remember that your title needs to be your keyword that you want to rank for, your primary keyword, and then in your title you could have a secondary keyword as well. Don't do keyword stuffing. In your description also, the first line of your description needs to be your primary keyword, and then on your second line, or within your content, you can have second, third, and fourth or fifth keywords that you want to rank for. I also put my tags that I want to do here. I do a little bit of keyword stuffing over there so that I can try and rank for as many words as possible. Your tags again is basically telling YouTube what your video is about, the basic subject matter of your video. So comments and ratings, all comments allowed and approved except potentially inappropriate comments. And all. I would just say approved comments. So only use approved comments. Users can view ratings for this video. Yes, that must definitely be enabled because you want people to see the rating of your video and see if people have liked your video or not liked your video. Allow viewers to contribute translated titles, descriptions, and subtitles. Absolutely not, because we don't know if their translation in their language is going to be the correct verbiage. It could be they could be spamming your video and putting a whole lot of nonsense on your video, and it could affect your video very negatively and your branding very negatively. So leave that unchecked. Caption certification. This content has never been aired on TV, so you don't have to do anything over here. It's for your FCC compliance and certification. So suggest video improvements, show edits. Never show edit suggestions, show edit suggestions. I would just leave that as checked. Video location, it'll pick it up automatically. So if you click on search, it should pick up on your country, which mine has. And then make video statistics on the watch page publicly visible. Absolutely. So I want people to see exactly what my statistics are for my video. So let's go to features and contents. So feature one of your videos or playlists across all of your videos. So this is if you wanted to like have a featured video on all your lists. On all my videos, I don't want to do that. And then you can have a channel ad. Choose the video, and it could be selected as one of a few to be promoted to viewers. So let's just select one over here. Let's go to videos most viewed, and let's choose my most viewed video. That's the video that I want to be promoting. It'll come up over here, which is great, and that's been added. And then the branding, which is add a watermark. I don't want to add a watermark to any of my videos because I've got an intro video, an intro to all my videos, and I'm going to show you how to create that very shortly. So advanced. So this is basically where you can do your on-page optimization. So this is your country. Choose your channel for your keywords. So your keywords need to be in inverted commas. As you can see here, I've got mine in inverted commas, a space, and then my secondary keywords. My third, I can only have 3 keywords, but each keyword phrase needs to be in inverted commas. Allow advertisements to be displayed alongside my videos? Definitely not. I don't want any videos on my adverts or alongside my adverts, because I don't want people to click out of my videos onto somebody else's channel where they're going to be monetized by somebody else. I want to be monetizing the people on my videos. They mustn't be leaving my channel. They must be subscribing to my channel. Disable interest-based ads? Absolutely, for the same reason. Okay, allow AdWords account linking. I don't need an AdWords account on this, because I'm not advertising my my videos via AdWords. Tell us if your channel is associated with another website. I've already done that. So here's where you put in your URL, and it basically takes a couple of days for that to happen. They give you a tracking code to add to your website, and you would add that tracking code to the headers of your website. Very simple to do. There's a very simple explanation. If you don't know how to do that, just get hold of your web developer, and he will do that for you. Channel recommendations: allow my channel to appear in other channels. Absolutely. So if somebody else is if somebody's viewing other videos on another YouTube channel that has videos that have the same tags, the similar content or similar description title to my videos, then my video will then appear in as a recommendation. Subscriber counts: display the number of people to, subscribe to my channel. Absolutely, I want people to see that my channel is regarded as a channel of authority. And when people see that there's lots of people subscribed to your channel, they will then subscribe to your channel. And the more people that subscribe to your channel, the better it is for your channel, because you're getting more and more exposure. And also, when they subscribe to your channel, they will get an email notification, if they haven't turned it off, of new videos that you've added to your channel, which is brilliant. And then you can also add an analytics channel to your to your settings of your YouTube channel. So we're just going to put here South Africa again. South Africa. It'll change the terms and conditions, and it wants us to accept terms and conditions. So I'm just going to choose here South Africa again, and I'm just going to accept the terms and conditions, and then it's going to give me my tracking code. So here is my tracking code. There it is. Okay, and that's the tracking code that I'm going to use either on my websites or in my YouTube channel. So let's go back to my YouTube channel and show you exactly where to insert that. So it's under your advanced settings, so under channel advanced settings, and at the bottom here you can just put in your tracking code and then press save. Now anytime that somebody goes to your YouTube channel, you would obviously then get notified that like how they found you, whether they found you from if they found you from typing in keywords into Google, or if they found you typing keywords into YouTube, and what keywords they actually found you using. That way you can actually tell which keywords are working, which keywords are not working, and it's a very, very useful tool to have Google Analytics installed on your YouTube channel. Analytics is probably one of the most useful tools that have been added to the YouTube channel, and this is where you need to make numbers your friend, because numbers tell you exactly what's happening with your YouTube channel. So if you just click on Analytics, this gives you basically an overview of your entire channel, how long your videos are being watched for, and what's happening with each individual video, your top 10 videos that are being viewed, and it tells you exactly what's going on over on each video. So let's do it in real time. Click on the real time icon, and it tells you exactly what's happening in the last 48 hours. And if you just mouse over, it tells you that for that video there was 15 estimated views through my entire channel. And then it tells me which channels, which videos have been viewed. So this one was viewed 45 times. It's ranking very, very well in the search engine, and it's ranking for various different keywords in various different countries. This one got 10 views, 11 views, and 10 views, and so on. So it tells me exactly what's happened, and this is just in the last 48 hours, which is great. So let's go to watch time, and the watch time is a very important tool because it tells you exactly how long a person is staying on your video and when in the video they are leaving your video, and this is where you can optimize your video. So if you know that everybody is leaving your video at a certain point in your video, maybe you need to rework your video and put in an extra feature, maybe put in a card to keep your people engaged. If you know that that's when they are bouncing off your video. And the bounce rate is basically the amount of time that a person stayed on your video and when they left. So let's go and see this video over here. Let's just click on this video, and then we can see exactly what's happening on this video. And this is for a period for the last 28 days. Okay, so if you click over here, watch time is 90 people watched that amount of time, and 56 people got to that period in the video, and so it shows you exactly what's happening. So you can see here in the United States, I had 176 minutes, 13% of the video was watched in totality, 61 views in total, and the average view duration was 2 minutes 53, which is quite shocking. But I'm getting lots of views, and I'm actually getting signups. But if we look at the South African one, you'll see that it's actually 19% average percentage viewed, which is quite good. Maybe people stop, they leave the video, and then they come back. But I can see from my statistics that I'm getting a lot of people joining my business and signing up in my team, which is absolutely fabulous. So that's good. And you can see that my video is ranking all over the world. Now imagine your video ranking in YouTube, and you are doing like affiliate marketing or something, or maybe network marketing, and you got people joining your team from all over the world, which is great. So these are the countries that I'm most interested in: Nigeria, South Africa, India, United Kingdom, Malaysia, and United States. I'm having a massive amount of people viewing my videos on a daily basis, which is great. So let's see average audience retention, and this shows you. So let's use the same video. This is for the same video, and we can see exactly when the people are leaving. So we have a massive drop off in the first like 20 seconds in the video, but we still seem to keep like people engaged. As long as I can keep some people engaged, I'm a happy man. So over here you can see watch time, 54 minutes from Ghana. United Kingdom 157 minutes. Average view duration, you can see here. Germany had the highest view duration. Iceland good, Ghana good, Netherlands, and then it starts dropping off which is it just is what it is. Okay, let's look at the demographics. The demographics just basically tells me what age group is watching my videos, and that will give me an idea of how I need to be making my videos. So if I'm having that'll tell me how I need to change my language in my video, because my language needs to cater for that age group, obviously. The playback locations just tells me exactly where people are viewing my videos from. So YouTube, they're watching it from YouTube, and they're also watching it from embedded in external websites and apps. So as you can see here, 39% is coming from my opt-in page, which is fabulous. And what's even better is 25% is coming from organic searches, which is people going to YouTube and searching directly for certain keywords and watching my videos. So I'm getting a lot of traffic. I've got 574 views in the last 28 days coming from organic traffic, which is brilliant. So traffic sources, it tells me exactly where my traffic is coming from. YouTube browse features. So if I click on it, it'll give me like various different statistics. So the next one is devices, and this basically tells me where people are watching my videos. And as you can see, and this is very, very interesting, and something that you need to take note of, is that 651 people viewed my videos on a mobile device. So you need to make sure that your opt-in page is mobile friendly, and that your video is going to render perfectly on a mobile device. Very, very important to do that. Your translations is basically, if I had done my video in different translations, then it would come up here. As you can see, mine is only in English. So my subscribers tells me exactly where my subscribers are coming from. My likes and dislikes will tell me who's liked and who's disliked my video, and when my videos were disliked. So as you can see, I've got no dislikes, which is great. So I've got likes in those 4 different countries. Those are the top countries. Tells me the date, the subscription status, and the device type of where what device they used. And then over here are the various different graphs that I can analyze my data in. Videos in playlists. So I've got one playlist that I have, but it just tells me how my playlists are converting, and if they are working or they're not working. My comments are telling me exactly where my comments are coming from. Just interesting to know where the comments are coming from. And the sharing, this is going to tell me if people are actually sharing my videos. So WhatsApp have shared my video in WhatsApp, people have shared my video on Facebook, Facebook Messenger, and people have copied it to their clipboard, which is very, very interesting. It's nice to know that people are actually sharing my videos, especially that video. The annotations, I don't really have annotations on that video. So if I did have annotations, which I explained to you in a previous video, it would tell me exactly who clicked, how many people clicked, when they clicked, from what device they were using, etc. The same for cards, but I don't have any cards in that video. And the end screens is exactly the same over there. And that's basically your analytics. Again, make the analytics and make numbers your friend. It gives you a good oversight of what's happening with your channel and individual videos, where you need to be optimizing, if you need to be changing keywords, sticking to keywords, maybe adding more videos for specific keywords so that you can get more traction. And that way, if you do that, you'll start dominating YouTube. So if you've got multiple videos on the YouTube channel for specific searches, and you've got 4 or 5 or 6 videos coming up for that specific search term, you'll get a lot of traffic to your YouTube channel. You'll get a lot of subscribers coming to your opt-in page, and you should be doing a lot of business.